Is it bad if I eat the whole thing?
I think I've just made the best chicken sandwich in the world.
This might be the best chicken sandwich that I've ever ate in my life. It's just perfect. It's just amazing. It's just the f***ing combination. Make it even more perfect. I promise you.